YouTube family, it's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse. I am coming back with a wig review. This is gonna be on Miss Keziah by the Sensational Shear Muse collection. Yeah, this hair is some soft, pretty, natural looking hair, real natural. I am feeling this unit. I am really feeling her. So if y'all want to see the specs, the ins and outs, and get the deets on Miss Keziah, look down below. I will have the information where you can get her from. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Oh, wait. Okay, guys, this is what the unit looks like in the package. Well, this way. That's how she looks. It's really cute. Her name is Keziah. That's what I want to say. She's in a 1B, and she's a Shear Muse unit from Sensational. Be your own muse. Pretty good parting space. Deep hand tied. Let's open her up and see what she looking like. I did get her in a 1B. Color 1B. Keziah. Okay, she comes in a lot of different colors, guys. There are the other colors that you can pick her up in. That honey blonde ombre is pretty. That's really pretty. But for me, I just wanted a 1B this go around. More natural. I can rock her a lot more for everyday wear, which is why I went with the 1B. Alright. The hair's really soft. Oh, okay. I like that little asymmetric cut going on there. Right now. That's what I say now. When I put her on, I'm probably going to be like, I need it evened out. We're going to see what she's looking like. Just like she is. On the inside, you have no lace at all to cut. Only the lace is the part. That's the only lace. You got 2 combs here on the side. And you have 1 comb in the back. And of course, your adjustable straps. So, this is going to be a really quick video, guys. Just let me pop her on so y'all can see what she look like. And I can be on my way. Okay, I like that part. Part is pretty nice. Pretty nice. And she lays pretty flat. You know those units that usually just come with a part, they don't lay flat? This one does. She lays really good. I'm going to go ahead and just put some of my Ruby Kisses powder in here. I always make sure that this is the same powder I powder my face with. But I know I'm going to be rocking my wigs. So they'll all play well together. Looks like a lot of powder, but don't worry. I'm going to spray some of this bold hold on that part to soak up the excess powder and to lay these little flyaways down. That's a pretty good amount of parting space. I may go in and pluck it so I can open it up some. Not right now, but later on. Really soft. I didn't think I was going to like this long piece, but I was wrong. I'm feeling this long piece. I really didn't think I was going to like it, but I do. Whew. This feels so good. Most of these wigs be tangly, but no, not this one. I like that. Look at that. That part looks good. It's going to look even better when I pluck some of it out. I'm going to let y'all see the back. I like this. I like it. Can y'all tell? I like her. I really like her. And then, girl, 3 for 3. All these units are sexy. Just, ooh. And I did think I was going to like this long side, but I really do like it. Okay, I can even do it like that to get some of it out of my face, and it still looks good. It don't look wiggy. If you want to leave it down like that, you can. But I like it more like that and not so much in my face. I like her. Okay, y'all, let me quit talking because this video did not have to be this long. This is Miss Keziah from Sensational. Girl, what collection? I want another one of these. I like this. Keziah. Her name is Keziah. Alright, I'm talking again. This is it, y'all. It's the end of the video. I won't stand here and talk too much, but I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. It's going to be a haul. It's coming, y'all.